So it says green zone, clothes and shoes. It says don't leave your donations by the bins, only once damaged by elements they can't recycle. So they can't recycle pillows, but they can other stuff. And let's check it out, the clothes and shoes donated in our drop boxes are given a second chance used by less fortunate families around the world, if they can do that. And it's a for-profit organization, and if they can't donate it to others, then they make things like dog beds out of it. So we are going to put an old blanket that has definitely seen its better days and was actually used for a dog bed for a long time, but we're going to let them cut it up and use it for something different. Okay?